React or Vue, which one is better? Come, let's compare. There is this common disagreement that happens between Vue developers and React developers. Vue developers saying that their framework is the best, while React developers are saying otherwise. But which one do you think is the best to use as a developer? Now let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of using React or Vue framework for your front-end project. Starting with React. Number one advantage of using React is that it is fast and scalable. That is why it is advisable to use React when you are building big and complex application. The virtual DOM actually makes it super fast. Another advantage of the React framework is its huge community. There is a huge community behind the React ecosystem, and because of this, it's easy to find jobs out there. It's easy to find support and also get continuous updates and upgrades. Now, the third advantage of using React is that it has reusable components, which makes building UI very, very easy. Let me just give two disadvantages of using React framework. Number one disadvantage of React framework is its learning curve. Yes, you need to learn how to code using JSS and also learn how to make use of state management when you are making use of React. So it's not just the normal HTML, CSS thing. Another disadvantage is that React gives too many ways to manage state data, like Redux, like context API, and what have you. Let me just add one more disadvantage. Yeah. So because of the continuous updates that is coming into the React ecosystem, into the React framework, you would encounter problems in your code with dependency issues where a particular component or library is not working because of there has been an upgrade in the React version. Now let's move over to Vue. One of the advantages of making use of Vue framework is that it is easy to learn. You just have to know the concept of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's very easy to move over to Vue. Number two advantage of Vue is that it has inbuilt state management and animations. So these are inbuilt. The third advantage is that it is smaller and lightweight. Yeah, so you can easily make use of it when you want to build little or small applications that wouldn't require so many functions and features. Yeah, so it's advisable for smaller projects, while React is advisable for larger projects. What do you think about that? Yeah, just two disadvantages of Vue. Number one is that it has a small community, so because of this you get fewer jobs compared to React. So we have more React job offers than Vue. The second disadvantage is that it is less scalable. So it's advisable that if you want to build a large application or a front-end project, you make use of React. But if you want to build something fast, something simple, you can opt in for Vue. Just a quick recap of what we have said. Number one is that React is for big and scalable application and has a very strong ecosystem and community, while Vue is best for quick development and easier learning. So tell me, which one do you prefer, React or Vue? Let me hear from you.